So, we will do a review based on design muna. So, yung design niya, I love it. It says IHS International High School. Charot. I like it. It's nice. It's very glossy. And the back part, di ako sure kung bakit may ganitong symbol. But this one, it's a good design. It's very big. In terms of design, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's cute. I like it. And then for the crispiness, we'll break this in half. Oh, kaya siguro may design sa likod para to guide yung pag-break. Love it. Let's see. Oh, so crispy. Okay, 9 out of 10. I love it. Very crispy. The taste naman, lasang wafer. I like it. I think I'll have more. Wait, I'll have more. I have one. Oh, good. Overall, wow factor. It's really good. Oh, and it has another design. Look at that. That's lamb. Lamb of God. Love it. Iba pa pala ng design to. Galing. And then, consistent. Nasarap siya. Yeah. It has different designs. I love, ito meron na naman iba, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. It's cute. This is like a cross with a lamp on it. I love it. Everything is a surprise. Love it. Overall, I'll give this like an 8.5 over 10. Really good. Really, really good.